aren't you?
Well,
Well, of course you are, yeah. You want one of these new, exciting Z Victor 1 Nouveau rechargeable flying bits of triangle and a haircut account.
Right.
Yeah, so you can choose an account that actually matches your financial lifestyle pattern.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
How do I do that, then?
Well, it's your problem, really.
The Nationwide Angler has only one current account. Flex account pays interest when in credit to everyone, regardless of their lifestyle pattern.
Sorry, we're just having a few technical issues at the studio. For now, please stand by.